how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently. So let's get started. So as of our latest update, YouTube Shorts is a feature that allows user to create and watch short from vertical videos on the platform. So while YouTube does not offer a specific option to disable shorts permanently, but you can adjust your YouTube settings and preferences to minimize their visibility. So in order to do that, simply tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner. So in profile icon, simply go to the settings or gear icon option available on top. In gear icon, tap on manage all history option available there. So now inside manage all history, you'll be navigated to your Google account or Google YouTube account. So now once you're inside the Google account, simply tap on the delete option available there. So after you tap on the delete option, you'll get to see delete all or 3 drop down menu. Tap on the delete all histories or delete option available there and confirm the delete, and tap on the got it option, and now go back to your YouTube homepage. So guys, there isn't a direct way to disable YouTube Shorts permanently, but this method can help you minimize their visibility and tailor your YouTube experience to your preferences. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.